Good morning, buenos días, muchísimas gracias por estar aquí con nosotros on Domingo Live. Todos los domingos, la tradición del sur de Texas, we're here for you, and we've been giving you a lot of information now that it's just around the corner where we're talking, and for some closer than others, back to school. And we just finished talking to you about a health and wellness fair, but we have another one because we can never have enough. We have a huge community. We need to help as many people as we can. Operation Health and Wellness. We are glad to have Nueces County Commissioner Joey Gonzalez. We always call him JAG, that's the name, JAG. And of course, our West OSD Superintendent Kimberly Moore. Thank you so much for being with us today. Now, let's talk about this Operation Health and Wellness. I know that it's a program, the Colonias program. If you could tell us more about that.
I want to let Ms. Kim start. She's the one. I'm here to back her up.
Commissioner Jag is humble because he's the one that brought this all together. And so he was just telling us there's a total of 65 community partners.
Perfect.
This is the military, the Army, and through their Innovative Reserve Training Program are actually literally setting up camp in our facilities. For our part is West Oso Junior High campus, and then there'll be other sites. There'll be the Banquete, Bishop, and then Mission of Mercy. And what we're going to be providing, the military really is, and partners from all around, from Del Mar Dental to Coastal Bend Wellness to Nueces Center for Mental Health. There's going to be optometry. There's going to be veterinary services. All of these kind of services are going to come together, but the Army are the ones that are going to be delivering and coordinating the actual services, the boots on the ground, and they're going to be spending about 10 days in our facilities providing these services.
Hence the term pop-up general medical, dental, and women's health clinics. I mean, this is pretty amazing in partnership, but it takes a lot to be able to bring it all together. So, Commissioner Gonzalez, tell us about this.
How did you do it?
Together?
Well, it started in 2018. We partnered with the Texas A&M University and College Station, the Hispanic Program Initiative with Mr. Oscar Munoz. And Laredo was the very first to have an IRT. We were the second. So I went to Laredo and saw what they were doing. And we were amazed, and I said, we need to bring it to Nueces County. So we went to work in 2018, bringing it down. So this is the third, and every year it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. In more partners, which the more the better. The military medical, Army medical brigade is the one that brings all the doctors, the nurses, to do all the major work. Our local partners are the ones that provide the backup, the assistance, like the nurses from College Station, Temu CC, the pharmacists from College Station, from Temu CC in Kingsville. We have a pharmacist at every location, and they bring down the pharmacists and their students. Del Mar College provides the dental hygienists. So we in Mission of Mercy we do optometrists. By the time you go there, get everything done, your glasses will be ready for you in the afternoon.
Oh wow!
Prescribed, and not just reading glasses. They're prescribed. But we'll have reading glasses at every location for those that just want reading glasses. But the dental also will have they're going to abstract, they're going to fill, so they're going to be doing all these things, and no cost to the community, no cost to anybody that walks in that door and say, I need some help. We have the medical assistance. There is going to be for the youth, the middle-aged, the elderly. It's for everybody.
And the one thing that stands out in my mind that you just mentioned, that you say that every year grows and grows from the cooperation of all the different organizations. But the reason it's growing is because the need is there.
Yes, so last year, before I was looking at our statistics, we served at our facility 1,200 people, a little bit over 1,200 people, and 800 animals. So you can bring your four-legged friends as well. And of those people, 56% had no health insurance at all. And then another 22% were on either Medicare or Medicaid. And again, we want to emphasize when you walk in, no one's going to ask you to fill out a whole bunch of paperwork or show a whole bunch of papers and all that. It really is a free service to the community. They'll do physicals, immunizations, really sort of a one-stop shop for all of your physical and as well as mental health needs.
No cost, open to the public, first come, first serve, 4 convenient locations in Banquete Elementary School, in Bishop, the Lillian Lewis Junior High School, Corpus Christi West Oso Junior High School, and also here in Corpus Christi Mission of Mercy. And if you need transportation, they've taken care of that as well. All you have to do is call the RTA 1 day prior. And the number is 361-883-2287. Just let them know where you're going and they'll take you there.
And the information, of course, is on our website as well. Commissioner, thank you so much. Superintendent,
so
thank you
much.
so much.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate your time.
Thank you all for allowing us to be here
course.
to promote it, because you know there's so many people out there that don't have insurance, underinsured, and even if you have insurance, you have to have a copay, right?
Yes.
So we take everybody and anybody.
Very good. Both of you,
To all the
thank you.
community partners and yourselves, thank you so much for doing this for our
Well,
community.
without them, we couldn't do it.
Absolutely. Thank you again. We appreciate
Thank
it.
you.